KevG weather overview with the main story of our weather over the next 10 days is the overall mild temperatures. I know it's cold today and it was cold yesterday, but that's going to be short-lived. And then the other theme is going to be the high likelihood, in my view, of potentially strong damaging winds overnight Thursday into Friday, particularly along the coast where I think we can get some gusts over 60 miles an hour. So this is a strong cold front moving through in that it has a lot of strong winds ahead of it, but the staying power of the cold air behind it is not that impressive. So here we go. This is for tomorrow, where after a cold day today, temperatures are going to make a run at 50 on Wednesday. And those temperatures will actually continue to go up on Thursday to the point where we could be flirting with the 60-degree mark in and around the city in points west. Now, rain should arrive sometime Thursday evening, figure between 8 and 10 p.m. And then these strong damaging winds are going to really start to peak in intensity overnight Thursday into Friday. So especially along the coast, we have the potential for gusts over 60 miles an hour in the wee hours of Friday morning. Now, this will be coming at a time where not a lot of people are on the road, so that'll make all the difference there, I think, in terms of high impact. But there will be some issues maybe with power outages and things like that in some areas for Friday morning. Not all areas. I don't think it'll be that widespread, but you'll definitely notice the winds very high for early Friday, and then they'll slowly relax Friday as this cold front moves through and temperatures come back down a little bit. Now for the weekend, it looks like 40s. It'll be blustery Saturday night into Sunday as this weak disturbance moves through. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna turn our winds more northerly, and they're gonna become gusty again, but not to the extent of the gusts that we're gonna see out of the southwest and south for that Thursday night into Friday period where the winds go really crazy. And then I think the theme after Sunday is once this high moves off the coast, we're going to be turning mild. In fact, the European model, along with a lot of the other models, is wanting to take all the wintry action out west. So here we are into Saturday. We have that brief push of renewed cold air for the weekend, if you want to call it that. It's basically seasonable for this time of year. And then look what happens. The ridge pops in the east. The trough is out west. That's where all the wintry weather stays. And it looks quite mild here for the most part next week. Now, we will deal with some rain chances, but I don't think it'll be anything too crazy. I think the main theme of the overall forecast is this return to mild weather once we get rid of the cold weather, relatively speaking, for this coming weekend. Now, today, no doubt about it, it's cold. Temperatures only around 30. But then look at the rebound for tomorrow. Highs around 50 as that west-southwest flow starts to take over. And then Thursday we flirt with 60. You can see down near Philadelphia, the temperatures get outrageous. You can see like 65-degree highs around Philly and DC. But we're going to have plenty of clouds around and some wind. And then rain develops Thursday night with those potential for damaging winds overnight Thursday night into Friday. And then highs around 54 on Friday. Those highs will probably come early in the day. You'll notice falling temperatures with the winds turning around to the northwest on Friday into Saturday. But then Saturday, we're only around 44. That's generous for this time of year in terms of it's seasonable. It's not terribly cold. And the same thing for Sunday with those northerly winds picking back up as that weak disturbance moves through. So that's your main themes through the next week or so. Watch out for those winds early Friday morning. And then for the most part, we're going to be doing okay with the mild weather before that. And then the mild weather, I think, looking very likely once we are past next Sunday. I think we'll see highs generally in the 50s next week, if not higher.